Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. Hope you guys are doing super duper awesome. So common misconception or myth that people have in equity markets is अरे ये गवर्नमेंट ओन्ड कंपनी है या ये पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग है तो इसमें इन्वेस्ट करते हैं ये इक्विटी इंस्ट्रूमेंट सेफ होगा बट ऐसे नहीं होता है. फर्स्टली the company or other most government companies may not necessarily have a profitability oriented mindset. A lot of these companies look at welfare of the people etc and they may not be looking at profits. Price or the value basically in the long run is a slave of earnings which is cash flows and profits. So अगर ये कंपनी प्रॉफिट पे फोकस नहीं होती है, अगर ये कंपनीज में इंसेंटिव्स नहीं होता है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दे, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंप्रूव करे या फिर परफॉर्मेंस को रिवॉर्ड करे, तो ये कहीं पे मिसिंग हो जाता है. दैट इज व्हाई गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज इन द लॉन्ग रन इफ यू सी डू नॉट क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ वेल्थ. They may do well in cycles, but they may not be very good long-term compounders where you can buy, hold, and forget. So the two reasons why it is not advised to stay invested or rather to pick government companies, firstly because they may have a welfare objective. Second, it may not be very performance oriented and profitability oriented. So that is why if you see a lot of these seasoned investors or even large portfolio management schemes or mutual fund schemes also, they have an investing philosophy where they stay away from government owned companies. So that is one smart thing that a lot of the retail investors can do and which can save them a lot of money which they can deploy in other companies. Thank you so much. This was one thing that I wanted to explain today. Thank you.